beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I want to share with you a video I recorded in 2022. I explained how to make a simple necklace to to my nieces, the two of them, but most especially the eldest, which she was 7 then. I just remember that I haven't uploaded this on my YouTube channel, so I decided to do a voiceover and to upload the video. So you're going to be seeing the video attached in this video. I'm attaching the video after this voiceover. I just wanted to give you like a backstory. So before my wedding in 2022, I think it was like October or so, my nieces were around and they'd be disturbing me and saying, "You can come and teach me how to make simple bracelet," because some when they see me working on customer orders, and I'm like, I don't have time. But today I was like, that day I was like, okay, oh, these children don't kill me, oh, I'm also someone's daughter. So I had to just to explain it to them, and that day I decided to set my camera to record the process. So I told them how to make a simple necklace. I first of all explained the beads and just give just like a short info about it. So I'm taking physical bead training sessions for this month of November. If you're in Lagos or you are in Ogun, you want to learn bead making, beaded jewelry making, you can book a session with me. And if you want to book a clarity session for your bead or jewelry business, you can also book a session with me. If you want to place order, you can go through my Instagram page at Christy Bead Maker or send me a WhatsApp message using the link in the description. So the video will come right after this voiceover. Enjoy the video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a few seconds to subscribe. My name is Ola and this is Inka Beans.
Okay, I'm Himla your Auntie Yinka's niece. I'll be learning how to be making beads. So the reason why I was doing another, there's one.
It's okay, madam.
I think I was making the last one. You said Auntie Yinka.
The name of the last bead?
Yes.
Seed bead.
Okay.
The tiny one. Okay, so I mentioned seed bead, Abby.
Yes.
The tiny beads that you can work with what?
Needles.
Good. So the next bead I'm going to talk about is what is called pearl. Say pearl.
Pearl.
You know your name is Pearl.
Yes.
Yes. So this bead are your name. Yeah. Both of you are sharing the same name. So I explained bracelet for you that day, and I taught you how to do this. We now customize it with your name, right? So can you remind me the material that I said that we need when you want to design a bracelet like this?
If you like, we can get customized letters.
Okay.
We need elastic fishing line.
Okay.
We need the cutter.
Okay.
Then we need glue.
You remember glue? Okay.
Then we need jambies.
Gemstones.
Gemstones.
Okay, that's very good. That's very good. That's very good. So in this place now, these are what?
Gemstones.
So point out the gemstones that you can use for bracelet here. This one you can also use this. This one is just different colors. Then these are the accessories that you can use inside a bracelet. Anytime you're talking about bead comes in a strand. Yeah, a strand means just like it's coming like this now. It comes like this. These
like
are
a cylinder.
Cylinder. Okay.
It looks like
No,
a cylinder.
it's the shape. It comes as if like one. It's called like this thing. This thing in my hand is a strand. Like a strand, just a single roll. It comes in a roll like this.
Like those two.
Yeah, so it comes like this. So this is how it's being bought from the market. I'm not detached this one. So if you want to buy anything, even if it is different types of, so these are gemstones. So when I'm talking about bead is very broad. So there is no time. I'm just going to explain how to do a simple necklace. So this one is
customized
letters. Good. So this one's now we can use this one. Can use one for what?
Bracelets.
Good. To do what?
To make that if they want their names on their bracelets.
Good. So if they want their names on their bracelet, we'll use these customized letters. And it also comes in another color, which is black. Where is the black one that was holding now? I can't find it.
Where's my own bead? You can use that.
Okay, this is your head. So this is, where is the black? I was holding on the black. Okay, so it also, the customized letters also comes in black like this.
Yes,
so yes, so that's it. So for beads, we have different types of beads. So I'm just going to be giving you this is normal fishing line.
Normal fishing line.
This one is elastic fishing line that you can use for what?
Bracelets.
Again,
bracelets.
So this fishing line is the normal fishing line that you can use to do necklace and for hand. For bracelet, for hand, if you want to make a bracelet and you don't want to use elastic fishing line, you can use this fishing line and you attach a hook to it.
Yes.
For this fishing line, if you are working with this fishing line, that means you are going to be using hook.
Yes.
Do you get now? So in bead making, we have different sizes of fishing line depending on the type of design that you want to make. So for example, now if I want to make a simple necklace, where is this one now? This one comes in a strand. So this is how it was bought. So if you want to make this type of necklace now, we are going to attach a hook to it. So that means it will not stay on your neck like this. So you can decide to make this one now. So in fact, I think we should do a crystal necklace, yeah? So this type of bead is called what? Crystal. Again?
Crystal.
Again?
Crystal.
Crystal, it has it blinks and it has this shining, shining part, yes, sparkles, and it comes in different colors. When I said that we have beads come in different colors, I mean bead come in different colors. This is an example of another color.
Red.
This is
Another one.
Crystal. This is green. This is bottle green. This is wine. This is, what color is this? Red. We have different colors in this container. I have different. This is silver.
I don't see the silver.
This is the silver that I showed you. This is silver color. So this one is what? Is gold. Gold beads. Gold crystals, and we have crystals also have different sizes.
These ones are big, those ones are small.
Yeah, and it's not, it has the right sizes. This one in my hand is size 10. This tiny one is size 8. Then there's one that is very small, size 6. How many beads have I talked about? I've talked about 2 beads. What are they?
The gemstones.
No, we are not talking about for bracelet. For necklace, I talked about coral and
gem and crystal.
Good. So we have another bead that is very tiny that you can use. If you are using that bead, you either
those waist beads. I know.
that you can use for waist beads.
These ones are tiny.
They are used for
needle.
So if you are working with that type of bead, you have to make do with needle. These are called beading needle. Again,
beading needle.
Again,
beading needle.
And we have different sizes of beading needle. This one is size 10. You get. This one is size 11. So if you want to work,
excuse me, and take. If I bring any tiny beads, like especially those with both those parts, I will use needle for them, and I will enjoy myself.
You cannot enjoy yourself. You will be careful. Sometimes you will enjoy yourself though, because beads you have to enjoy yourself. But because you are still young, you cannot work with tiny beads like this. I'm just going to explain how to make a simple necklace using crystal beads. You know, this one is a little bit big, or another bead which is called pearl. So these are beading needle, and you use it for beads like we have seed beads, but in Nigeria it's called sand bead. So that when you go to the market, if you go and say seed bead, they may not understand what you mean. But when you say sand bead, they may understand. But the actual pronunciation is what? Seed bead. Again, seed bead. Seed bead. Very tiny beads. And beads come in different sizes. We have different sizes of beads, and it come in different colors. I mentioned coral beads. I mentioned what again?
Crystal beads.
And I'm mentioning what again? Seed beads. So these beads are called seed beads. They are the beads that you will work with when you are working with beading
needle.
Beading
needle.
Number 3.
You don't have to be in a hurry. Just do the necklace very carefully.
I'm doing it slowly.
Slowly. It's a long necklace that we are making now. Wait. Let me see.
Number 10.
See, let's go to look on your neck. Nice.
It's even longer than mine.
Yeah, it's longer than.
Lemon.
Wait, I think it's okay. It's okay.
Yes, it's okay.
I already made nine.
Oya mo. You made 9. Oya mo. Make 9 here. Put 9. Look at the beats. Put 9 there.
Let me help you. Let me help you. Let me help you. Let me help her. She has just did 3. Let me help you.
Don't put the beat away. Oh.
Oh, I wish you would help now. I'll be away. How will I help you now? I'll be away.
Okay, so I think we are done for today. I am tired.
Maybe tomorrow we'll continue.
Let me pack all the.
Tomorrow we'll learn how to make bracelets.
You do the bracelet and the earring of the necklace and the done. So
I made the fall.
We're gonna be superstars.
Everybody will love us.
Why are you
be
not?
fast.
You are 3. Yeah, you're 30.
You too.
Yes, I want to go to the small beach.
Me,
That I'm making. So it's a single hook that I don't use. So we are done, and this is what the necklace looks like. Do you like it, Shemilori?
Yes.
Yeah, smile. Smile.